Hello, fellow contrarians. I'm Millie Chainham from the Decoding Crypto team, your unofficial geeky guide to the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency. Today, you're joining me for another exciting episode of Crypto in a Nutshell here on Decoding Crypto TV. Buckle up, because we're diving into the intriguing universe of Hedera Hashgraph, a robust contender in the realm of distributed ledger technologies, or as the cool kids call it, DLT. Now imagine the internet as a bustling metropolis without traffic lights. Scary, right? Hedera aims to be that indispensable traffic control system, ensuring everything moves safely and smoothly across the web. With our digital world growing faster than ever, a system that builds trust and reliability is crucial. That's where Hedera, our digital hero, comes in. The masterminds behind this innovation are Dr. Lehman Baird, Mance Harmon, and Paul Madsen. These guys envisioned a future where you can work, shop, create, and socialize online with the same confidence you have walking in your favorite neighborhood. To get there, Hedera aims to solve 5 major challenges currently facing blockchains. These challenges are performance, security, governance, stability, and regulatory compliance. Let's break it down so even your grandma or your 9-year-old niece can understand it. Firstly, performance. Most DLTs can handle only a handful of transactions per second, similar to a supermarket with only 2 open checkout lanes. Hedera, using its fancy Hashgraph technology, opens up hundreds of thousands of lanes. That means transactions get processed faster than you can say crypto. Next up, security. If our DLT is a powerful fortress, then Hashgraph is the unbreakable wall guarding it. It uses a technique known as Byzantine fault tolerance, a bit like having a super advanced spam filter that defends against tricky hackers trying to mess with the system. Now, governance is a big word, but it's as simple as a student's council. Hedera's decision-making process is decentralized, meaning no one kid, or in this case, one company, runs the whole show. Instead, it's governed by a council of big league companies from around the world, like a model UN of the tech world. They ensure the system stays fair and square. Let's chat about stability. Hedera's stability is like a trusty old lighthouse standing tall amidst turbulent seas, keeping everything steady and on course no matter how crazy things get. Strong governance and ironclad security offer reassurance to businesses that Hedera is not just a fleeting trend. Finally, regulatory compliance. Think of Hedera as having a comprehensive rulebook that plays well even with the strictest hall monitors, ensuring it aligns with laws like Europe's GDPR. This means it takes privacy and safety seriously while playing by the rules. And now a quick pause. If you're intrigued by what you're learning and want to keep exploring the wonders of the crypto universe, smash that like button and subscribe. Your digital journey with us has only just begun. Moving back to Hedera's capabilities, it's not just about solving current issues. It also pioneers new ways of making the digital landscape better for everyone involved. Through its decentralized approach, anyone can view its code, contribute to innovation, and trust the network's reliability. You get to do smart contracts, cryptocurrency transactions, and file services all on one robust platform. Hedera isn't just meeting today's expectations, it's crafting tomorrow's. Its goal is to become the gold standard of DLTs, the platform where everyone can belong and benefit. Well, my inquisitive contrarians, we've just traversed the groundbreaking panorama of Hedera Hashgraph. But the exploration doesn't stop here. I want to know which project piques your interest for our next deep dive. Get those comments flowing down below, and let's continue unraveling the mysteries of crypto together. I'm Millie Chainham, signing off from Decoding Crypto TV. Until next time, stay curious, stay smart, and above all, stay decentralized.